Ever pondered over the question, is the heart merely a blood-pumping organ? If you have, you're not alone. The heart, with its rhythmic and relentless thumping, is often typecast as the body's primary pump. But let's take a moment to explore how this muscular organ is so much more than a simple pump. Imagine a city, bustling with activity. The heart is akin to the city's central hub, orchestrating and coordinating countless functions to ensure the smooth running of the body. It's not just about pumping blood, but about maintaining balance, ensuring that each cell gets what it needs to function optimally. It's a round-the-clock job, and the heart does it without skipping a beat. The heart is a master communicator, constantly sending out signals to the brain. It communicates through a complex system of electrical signals and hormones, giving the brain real-time updates about the body's needs and condition. The heart's messages help the brain make important decisions, like whether to speed up or slow down the heartbeat, or how to react in times of stress or danger. But the heart's influence goes beyond just relaying messages. It's a powerhouse of its own, capable of making independent decisions. For instance, the heart can speed up or slow down its rhythm based on the body's needs, without waiting for the brain's approval. This autonomy makes the heart an active participant in controlling our body, not just a passive pump. The heart's role in our body is so pivotal that scientists are continually studying it, hoping to unlock more of its secrets. Each new discovery adds another layer to our understanding, reinforcing the idea that the heart is indeed more than a mere pump. So, when you think of your heart, don't just picture a tireless pump. Instead, envision a sophisticated hub, a master communicator, and an independent decision-maker. It's an organ that plays a pivotal role in controlling our body, laying the foundation for all our bodily functions. So the heart is not just a pump, it's a master communicator, laying the foundation for all our bodily functions. Did you know that the heart sends more signals to the brain than the other way around? Indeed, while we often think of the brain as the control center of the body, the heart's role in our overall well-being is far more significant than we might realize. Let's delve into the fascinating world of the heart-brain connection. It's a complex communication network where the heart and the brain are in constant dialogue. This exchange happens primarily through the nervous system, which acts like a superhighway of information, transporting signals back and forth. The heart, in fact, has its own intrinsic nervous system, known as the heart-brain. This heart-brain is composed of approximately 40,000 neurons, which are just as intricate and powerful as those found in the brain. These neurons enable the heart to learn, remember, and make decisions independent of the brain's cerebral cortex. Now, what's truly remarkable is how the heart's signals can influence the brain. The heart's rhythmic pattern has a profound effect on the brain's electrical activity. When the heart's rhythm is coherent, that is, ordered and stable, it promotes a state of synchrony in the brain, enhancing mental clarity, creativity, and emotional balance. In contrast, an erratic and disordered heart rhythm can disrupt the normal functioning of the brain, impairing perception, cognition, and emotional processing. This can lead to feelings of stress and anxiety, and over time can even contribute to more serious health conditions. Moreover, the heart's electromagnetic field, which is about 60 times greater in amplitude than the brain's, can also influence our emotional state. Research has shown that emotions like love and appreciation can generate a smooth and harmonious heart rhythm, leading to a sense of well-being and improved cognitive performance. This heart-brain dialogue is a dynamic, two-way conversation where each organ continuously influences the other. It's a relationship of mutual respect and cooperation rather than dominance and control. Thus, the heart plays a pivotal role in how our brain functions and perceives the world. Its powerful signals guide our thoughts, emotions, and ultimately our actions. So, while the heart may be known as the symbol of love, it's also truly the master of our minds. Ever wondered why your heart races when you're scared or excited? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of the heart and emotions. The heart, an organ often associated with feelings, has a significant role in our emotional responses. It's not just a metaphor when we say our heart is aflutter with joy or heavy with sorrow. You see, our heart rate varies according to our emotional state. When we're scared, our heart rate increases, pumping more blood to prepare our body for a potential threat. This is known as the fight or flight response. Similarly, when we're excited, our heart rate quickens, readying us for the anticipated event. On the contrary, feelings of calm or relaxation can slow the heart rate, indicating to our body that all is well. But here's the intriguing part. This information doesn't just stay within the heart, it's transmitted to the brain via the nervous system. This communication between the heart and brain helps modulate our emotional experience. For instance, if our brain detects an increased heart rate, it might interpret this as a sign of anxiety or fear, intensifying our emotional reaction. In other words, our heart is not just passively reacting to our emotions, it's an active participant, shaping our emotional landscape. It's a dynamic, two-way conversation that happens within our body every day, every moment. So, our heart doesn't just feel emotions metaphorically, it's actively involved in how we experience and process them. So, how does the heart's role extend to our overall health? Well, this powerful organ is not only responsible for pumping blood throughout our bodies, but it also plays a key role in our immune system. The heart helps to circulate white blood cells and antibodies, which are vital for fighting off infections and diseases. But that's not all. The heart also has a significant impact on our mental health. You see, the heart and the brain are in constant communication. When we experience emotional stress, our heart rate increases, sending a signal to the brain. This feedback loop can affect our mood, anxiety levels, and even our perception of pain. Furthermore, the heart's health is integral to our overall well-being. A healthy heart efficiently pumps blood, ensuring every cell in our body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. On the other hand, an unhealthy heart can lead to a host of problems, including fatigue, shortness of breath, and in severe cases, heart disease. That's why it's essential to take care of our heart. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking can go a long way in maintaining a healthy heart. In essence, the heart's role in controlling the body is vast and vital, making it much more than just a pump.